A lot of people ask me how I'm able to ride here in Oklahoma in February and early March. Here I am at Keystone Lake, about to load up. As all of you know, the hardest part, or not the hardest part, but the worst part of cold water is actually having to unload the boat, walk through the water, and into the sea-doo. So let me show you my solution. All right, so I found these on Amazon. These are some waders. So they're not insulated. I had some insulated ones that are a lot more expensive, but I really don't need them at all. If it ever is too cold, put on some wool socks, or like today I'm wearing some sweatpants shorts underneath. But this is the fix. As you can see, it's still completely dry.